Howdy folks, we're going to brine an alligator today. We got them over here in our ice chest. And we're going to add some sugar to it by the cup. This is the marinating process. Cup of sugar. Now spread it out. We already got 4 gallons of water in there. Add some salt. Fry this whole dang thing. It's gonna be a salty alligator. This recipe calls for 4 cups of salt and sugar. There's our salt. And we're gonna add some more sugar. Alright, now we're going to add some Cajun seasoning. Okay, now we got some crab seasoning. Crawfish. Not crab, something like that. Add a little bit of that to it. And we're going to let it marinate for about 24 hours or a little longer. Alright, now we're going to trim our alligator. We're going to trim all the fat off of this. We come in here. We got our alligator stuffed and seasoned. Cut up some vegetables and some meat and some shrimp. Put it in there. Season them all up. He's cooking right now on the smoker at 250 to 275. We're gonna put some beer over here on our alligator. We took the corn and shrimp off because we put it on too early and it cooked too long and got all like jerky. Now we're going to add some barbecue sauce, Killer Hogs, and some vinegar by Killer Hogs. Get it nice and tasty. Even the potatoes.